Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the bread saving CD and, more specifically, what happens if you need to withdraw your money early. Now, I know CDs can be a great way to save money, but sometimes life throws us curveballs and we need access to our cash before the CD matures. So, what are the penalties for withdrawing from a bread saving CD? Before we get into that, let's take a quick look at what a bread saving CD is. It's a type of certificate of deposit offered by Bread Financial that comes with a few unique features, such as no minimum balance. You can open a bread saving CD with as little as $1. Flexible terms. You can choose a CD term that's right for you, from 3 months to 5 years. Competitive interest rates. Bread saving CDs offer competitive interest rates compared to other banks and financial institutions. So, now that we know what a bread saving CD is, let's talk about the penalties for early withdrawal. There are two main types of penalties that you could face if you withdraw from a bread saving CD early. Interest penalty. This is the most common type of penalty. If you withdraw your money before the CD matures, you will forfeit some or all of the interest you have earned. The amount of the interest penalty will vary depending on the terms of your CD and how early you withdraw your money. Maturity fee. Some bread saving CDs have a maturity fee, which is a flat fee that you will have to pay if you withdraw your money before the CD matures. The amount of the maturity fee will also vary depending on the terms of your CD. It's important to note that the specific penalties for early withdrawal from a bread saving CD will vary depending on the terms of your individual CD. You can find the specific terms of your CD on the Bread Financial website or in your account documents. So, what should you do if you need to withdraw money from a bread saving CD early? The best course of action is to contact Bread Financial and discuss your options with them. They may be able to waive or reduce the early withdrawal penalty in certain circumstances. Here are a few tips for avoiding early withdrawal penalties. Choose a CD term that matches your financial goals. If you think you might need to access your money before the CD matures, choose a shorter-term CD. Consider a high-yield savings account. If you need access to your money quickly, a high-yield savings account may be a better option than a CD. High-yield savings accounts offer competitive interest rates and no early withdrawal penalties. Shop around for the best rates. There are many different banks and financial institutions that offer CDs. Be sure to shop around to find the best rates and terms. In conclusion, it's important to be aware of the penalties for early withdrawal from a bread saving CD before you open one. By understanding the risks and taking the necessary precautions, you can avoid paying unnecessary fees. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, take care.